So today what we are going to do is create a FAQ section. That is, there will be vertical toggle buttons where the question will be listed, and when we click on it, we will be able to see the answer. Okay. So let us start. I've done some very basic editing. You can just look around it. Okay. So now let us start. First, we are going to create a section named FAQ. Okay. And then what we well then what we want is the quotient to be there, and quotient dash 1. Okay. And for example, what is the company policy? Okay, that is, let us say, the first question. Okay. And then we want answer. Give it a save, and now let us just copy and paste it. Okay. So paste, and now simply change the numbers. Okay, it should be 3 actually. So 3, and now give it a save, and this is what it will look. Of course, we need to edit the CSS, so let us start with it. So first we need to select the question and let the background color be something very bisque. I think it will look good. Save, and yes, it looks okay to me. Okay. Now add the padding, top and bottom, that will be 20 pixel, and left and right, that will be 10 pixel. Okay. Save, and yes, it looks okay to me. We can also add border. So let us add all border, so that it is much more clear to see. 1 pixel solid black will be okay. Let us see, and yes, it looks fine. And now let us edit the answers. These are some cosmetic changes. Just wanted to make it look a bit nice. So Azure, I think it will look good. Let's check. Yeah, it looks okay to me. In the question, let us make the font weight as bold. Okay, save it, and yes, it is bold now. We want the same padding and border in the question answer. Paste it, save, and yes, there it is. Now let us create a hidden class. Okay, and set the display to be none. Okay. Now go to the answers and select these, add these hidden classes. Okay, just a second, guys. So now let us add the hidden class to all of these. This is going to remove these, the questions. Now what we need to do is create a JavaScript, so that when we click on the question, these hidden classes will toggle. Okay. And something else need to be changed? I don't think so. So let us proceed to JavaScript. First, we need to select all the questions. Okay. So document dot query selector, and let it be question dash 1. Okay, it is selected. Now just copy and paste it. Now for the answers. Okay, I will change the numbers. Just wanted to write it down first. Document dot query selector, and let the answer equal to 1, and just copy and paste it again. Now let us change numbers. 2 p3, this 2 is 3. Okay. Now what we need to do is create the functions. Okay, so what we want is, when we click on Q1, we will add a event listener. Okay, click and then create a function. What is going to happen is the A1, that is the answer 1, that is going to check for the classlet and toggle between the hidden. Okay, this hidden class. Okay, let us check. Doesn't seem to work. Let's check why. Okay, I see we haven't given the dots. Now it should work for question number 1. And yes, it is working. Now let us just copy and paste it. Give it a save and make it for 2. And this for 3. Now our FAQ section is ready. This is how it will work. Okay. Now you can add a plus button which changes into minus when we click on it. Some of the cosmetic changes that I'm sure you can do. Okay.